Hello and welcome to News 9. I'm Nishchita, and first up, the big news just coming in. Chartered accountant Saurav Rastogi murder mystery solved. HSR layout police arrest Roshan Chengappa in Saurav Rastogi murder case. Roshan Chengappa was Saurav Rastogi's colleague. The police call Saurav's wife for questioning as well, and they suspect an extramarital affair to be behind the murder. This is the big news that is just coming in. Let's not forget that Saurav Rastogi's murder had created quite a shock. The incident had taken place in HSR layout Sun City apartments, and what the residents there claim is that they did not hear anything, and it was only much later they realized that Saurav had been murdered. It is said that Saurav Rastogi might have been murdered by a known person, as there was no forced entry into the house, and now the police officials have zeroed in on his colleague Roshan Chengappa. It is being suspected that an extramarital affair could be the reason behind this horrific murder. Well, Roshan Chengappa, Saurav Rastogi's colleague, has been taken into custody. Apart from that, even Saurav Rastogi's wife will be questioned. Let's not forget that Saurav's wife was not in town when he was murdered. There was no forced entry into the house, and hence it is being suspected that not only was a known person involved, but maybe an insider being involved also cannot be denied. My colleague Nolan joins us with more details on this. Well, Nolan, what more can you tell us about this sensational case?
Well, in fact, the police have done a pretty good job in trying to solve this case as fast as possible. And like you stated, his friend Roshan Chengappa has been actually taken into custody. Now, what really happened, Nishita, I'll give you the brief history. Saturday evening, his wife Ankisha, who was in Pune, tried calling her husband. Now, this was after 9 in the evening, because residents over there in the neighbor also stated that they actually saw Rastogi till around 9 o'clock in the evening. So after 9, she started calling. She called her neighbor, the neighbors, and informed her that Rastogi, her husband, was not answering. So they go to his house, they knock on the door. They believe that he was fast asleep, so they leave it. Now, Sunday morning, again, she starts calling her husband. And when he didn't answer his call, she called the neighbor once more. The neighbors went over to his house. They knocked on the doors. When he didn't answer, they believed that something must be wrong, because the door was fine. There was nothing which showed that there was it was broken as such. They immediately called the police. The police arrived at the spot. At 1 o'clock, they found him in his apartment. He was lying in a pool of blood. He was wearing his shorts. His black t-shirts was on his face. In fact, his throat was slit. The entire house was ransacked. Now, Kamal Pant, the Additional Commissioner Law and Order, had stated that this looks like a premeditated murder. Now, this is what he stated over there. The entire area was ransacked. So he said this is what the police believed initially. Now, then they started to investigate. They said that they want to question his wife in order to get more information, because she was in Pune to visit her relatives. Now, prior to this, a little bit more background information about Rastogi. He's from Lucknow. He had come here in 2011. He was working for a multinational outsourcing firm. His wife was also working in Bengaluru. Now, 10 days before this happened, he had gone to South Africa for a business visit. So when he came back over here, while he stayed put in Bengaluru, his wife left for Pune. And this is when it happened. Now, today we are told that the police, while they started talking to people over there through CCTV cameras, surveillance cameras, this is a huge apartment block, Sun City there in HSR layout, they managed to speak to to his servant. Now, the servant stated that there was one individual who actually he saw entering the flat in the night. That is how the police zeroed in on his friend Roshan Chengappa. Now, Roshan Chengappa has been taken into custody. What also makes it more interesting, Nishita, like what you stated earlier, the police want to question his wife because they believe that this could be an extramarital affair. The reason being, there are a lot of calls between Ankisha and Roshan Chengappa in the days prior to this, to the murder, and also for a very long time. So this is basically what has happened.
Well, that is quite shocking to say the very least. We also understand that Ankisha was not in this city, was not in town when the incident took place. So if these speculations are indeed true, then it all seems to be a planned act. It was not an impulsive murder. It was not a murder out of anger. It was all a planned murder, which makes it an even bigger crime.
Well, as of now, the police have not found her guilty. They have not pronounced her guilty. She's just a suspect, and that's how she will remain till till the police actually investigate it correctly. But if what you're saying, it can also be a good alibi. She left Pune after the business meet that they came back from South Africa. He was right here. She went to Pune so that she's not in town here. So it's a good, strong alibi that she's not in town. She has nothing to do with this. And again, looking at it in another way, her frantic calls to him first on Saturday night, that's when he was murdered. Then on Sunday again she called, she asked the neighbor to go and check on him, no messages. So that can be a very strong watertight alibi for her. But what's actually creating problem for her is the number of calls that the police have seen on Roshan Chengappa's mobile. That's the reason they need to get her. She has to come back to Bengaluru. The police, if she doesn't come back, they will actually secure a warrant, a body warrant for her. And the investigations will go on. But as of now, the news is that the police believe that they've solved this case. Roshan Chengappa, Rastogi's good friend, has been arrested.
Right, and also we understand that in such a case, probably the office staff will play a bigger role as far as the relationship between Saurav as well as Roshan is concerned. So are the office staff members, considering that this is a multinational, it is a reputed company, are they being questioned in this case, Nolan?
Nishita, as of now, we do not know whether they will be questioned or not, because we do know that the police secured CCTV camera footage from the Sun City apartments. The police also have spoken to all the people working over there, the employees, the housemaids, the drivers, people who were there at that particular point of time. They've also spoken to his neighbor if they heard anything, because the neighbor stated that no noise whatsoever was heard. So this was very quickly done. And it also looks like there was a sort of a fight inside in the apartment before he was killed, and Roshan Chengappa sort of overpowered him and managed to slit his throat. So the police, like you stated, will be questioning his colleagues in the office, because to find out if there was anything else amiss, to find out other details, especially about Rastogi's wife, how close she was with Chengappa, considering the fact that a lot of calls have been made between both of them.
Right, and also as far as the wife is concerned, is she in town? Have the interrogations begun?
Well, as of now, we are told that she was in Pune. We do not know, has she already reached over here? She stated that she went to Pune because to meet her relatives. She was still there. As far as the investigations were going on, the senior police officials also stated that they were waiting for her to come back to Bengaluru because they had certain questions to ask her. So the police did have an idea behind it. It always happens. Either the husband or wife is killed. It's first either the husband or the wife who are questioned regarding this. Now, considering that she's the one who went over there, she tried calling him, he didn't answer. So the police would want to know when was the last time she spoke to him, what did they speak about, the messages that were sent, why did she go over there, why didn't he come to Pune along with her when she was going to meet her relatives, even though it's her relatives. So many things are present, but as of now, they have arrested Roshan Chengappa and his wife is an accused.
Right, thank you for joining us with all those details there, Nolan. Well, there we have it, sensational developments as far as the HSR layout chartered accountant murder case is concerned. A few days after the horrific murder came to light, it is now being reported that the police are suspecting an extramarital relationship between the victim's wife and the victim's colleague that could have led to the murder. There was no forced entry into the house, which had given rise to a suspicion that it was a known person who had murdered Saurav Rastogi. It was not an unknown person, and probably despite the fact that valuables had gone missing from the house, the police officials were not ruling out foul play as far as a known person entering the house and murdering Saurav is concerned. It is said that the accused here is Roshan Chengappa. He was a colleague with of Saurav at their office, and apart from that, there were several calls exchanged between Rohan as well as Saurav's wife before the incident took place and after the incident took place, giving rise to suspicion. The police officials have taken Rohan into custody, but they are yet to question the wife in this regard.